Let's begin with the user module.js file. Here we define a Vuex module with its own state, containing an array of users. Note the namespaced true property, ensuring that this module's mutations and actions are scoped to this module, preventing naming collisions with other store modules. Within the mutations, we define addUser, which will push a new user into our state array. Finally, the fetchUsers action simulates an API call that retrieves user data and then commits the addUser mutation for each user. Moving on to the products module.js, the structure closely resembles our user module, but for products. It maintains a namespaced state for an array of products and defines a similar pattern with a mutation named addProduct and an action fetchProducts. The fetchProducts action demonstrates a delayed simulation of fetching data, which when received, commits the addProduct mutation to update our product state. In store.js we import and make use of the Vuex createStore function, along with the previously defined modules. We register these modules within the modules object of our store's configuration. By doing so, we encapsulate the user and product states and logic within their respective modules. This modular approach organizes each facet of our state and logic neatly, ideal for large-scale applications. Lastly, in the main.js file, we bootstrap our Vue application. We create the Vue app with the root component, import the store, and instruct Vue to use the Vuex store by invoking appUse.store. This makes the store instance available throughout the entire application. Finally, we mount our Vue app to the #app element in our HTML. This is where Vue takes over and renders our application.